See, you're fine. I swear. I see I'll spend all my money on you. I don't mind.
Really?
Yes.
Okay,
See
so
the way you are looking. Video. I don't mind having you as breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Well done. My angel, my love, my sweetheart. Small daddy.
Hey, brother.
What are you doing here?
Brother, if they catch me outside, I see me can't take fresh air inside.
If they catch you for outside, you come inside, can't take fresh air.
You were not informed too.
Small daddy.
see, please, I can't continue with this nonsense.
Baby,
I can't continue with this. I can't. What do you mean by it? What's all this now? I'm going home, please. There's no privacy here. How do you expect me to be here and there's no privacy? I don't like this. Please, I want to leave.
Wait. You see, this boy is devil's incarnate. Forgive me.
Please,
forget.
Please, take me somewhere nice or I will go home.
Dash out. I'll take it to somewhere very, very nice. To an hotel, very clean. You will like it.
Okay, let's go.
Let me use your back. My angel. My baby. I will buy you rope.
The penis of the man, the manhood.
Who is that? Come. These hotel people will not let someone have a good time. Okay. Room service. Small daddy.
Brother.
Oh my God.
What are you doing here?
Brother, I brought your car for you.
You work out.
Did I send you to bring cap for me?
You were not informed too.
Me, normally I don't like wearing cap. And you're bringing cap today of all days.
Yes, brother.
Okay.
You know you like wearing cap to do that thing. So I just brought it for you.
Boy, come on, take this out for me, idiot. Idiot.